Just like the mechanical keyboards has revolutionized typing with precision and comfort, shaving brushes are making a comeback in the grooming world. For men who appreciate a classic shave, these tools enhance the experience by lifting hair, exfoliating skin, and creating a rich lather. This guide evaluates the best shaving brushes based on bristle quality, handle design, build durability, lather performance, and overall value for traditional or modern shaving routines. List number: Aliexpress shaving brush, synthetic badger hair, wood handle, stainless steel shaving stand and bowl. Aliexpress delivers a complete shaving kit featuring a synthetic badger hair brush, natural wood handle, a sturdy stainless steel bowl, and a matching stand. The brush bristles mimic natural badger softness, offering great water retention and lather building without animal-derived fibers. Ideal for vegans. List luxury shaving brush by Aliexpress. No shedding bristles, smooth acrylic handle. The Aliexpress luxury shaving brush stands out with its ultra-dense, no-shedding synthetic bristles and smooth high-gloss acrylic handle. Designed for both function and elegance, this brush whips up rich lather quickly while gently exfoliating the skin. The strong backbone of the bristles makes it suitable for both cream and soap users. The handle is ergonomically shaped for a secure grip and easy control. List number: Omega 4635 Barber Pole Fiber Shaving Brush. High brush, blue, from a brand trusted by barbers worldwide. The Omega 4635 Barber Pole Brush offers a fun, retro design with professional-grade performance. Its high brush, synthetic fibers are engineered to mimic silver-tip badger hair, soft on the face, yet firm enough to lift whiskers for a close shave. The blue and white barber pole handle adds personality to any grooming kit while ensuring a comfortable, non-slip grip. List 4 Bastion Shaving Brush for Men, wood handle brush for wet shaving cream and soap. The Bastion Shaving Brush is a great budget-friendly option for those just starting out with wet shaving. It features synthetic bristles that are soft, fast-drying, and excellent at retaining water, helping to build a thick lather quickly. The smooth wooden handle has a classic look and feels solid in hand, whether you're using a shaving soap or cream. The bristles do a great job of lifting the beard for a smoother, cleaner shave. List number 5. Parker Premium 3-Band Pure Badger Shaving Brush with Stand. Gift boxed. The Parker Premium Shaving Brush features 3-band Pure Badger bristles, offering a softer feel than standard brushes while maintaining strong lathering ability. It's housed in a durable handle and comes with a sleek acrylic stand that keeps the brush upright for drying, crucial for extending bristle life. The brush performs exceptionally well with both soaps and creams, creating a warm, creamy lather that softens even the thickest beards.